Today, this dork thinks he's on some normal flight to Chicago when out of nowhere gets diverted to St. Louis. Stay tuned to see what happens next. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to day one of the Chicago series. I'm going to make today's intro kind of brief and quick just because there isn't really much to say, and I do have to get to the airport for a flight kind of soon. So I guess main points. We will have Illinois scratched off of the goal to go everywhere. Southwest has new revamped policies. That'll be very interesting. It's like a kind of a new airline now. I'm very excited to see what Southwest has done. And now that they have assigned seats, I'm kind of nervous, though, because my boarding pass says that I have an aisle seat. And you guys know that I love the window seat. So that could be interesting. Maybe someone else in my group can give me a window. But we will see how that all plays out. More updates to come as I think of them and also as they happen. So let's get right into it. Let's go to Chicago. So here from the top of the parking garage here at Hobby Airport, about to go catch the parking shuttle, and hopefully security will be fine today with the recent government shutdown. Unfortunately, ICE might be present, but we'll see what happens. Hopefully it will be quick and we can get on our flight, which has been delayed as well.
Southwest is taking March 8th. March 8th, if you are in the concourse, please see us at gate 149.
So here on the concourse at Houston Hobby Airport, as you can see, I'm here with some old spacesuits from NASA as I am trying to kill some time after my flight has now been delayed for about an hour and 10 minutes. We'll see how Southwest's revamp goes with the whole assigned seating thing and the new seats and all that stuff. So stay tuned, this should be really interesting. So now here aboard the flight, we have departed from the gate, still sitting on the tarmac. But behind me is, you can maybe take a look at the new seats that Southwest has on their 737 MAX 8. So it is pretty comfortable. I will say the legroom is very nice as well. I'll give you a look at that in a minute. But we should get going here soon to Chicago. So as I was saying, the legroom is very nice on these new seat layouts. You can see we're starting to move again. There's a nice Beechcraft over there. And some other private planes, as well as looks like a platypus and just some other stuff. But anyway, yeah, everything looks pretty clean. Nice little charging outlets. So yeah, pretty good layout. So here from the sky, still ascending by the way, we are in some pretty dense clouds. It looks like to be on the outside of a storm system that was coming in later today, but it's just the start of it. So we're trying to get above the bad part quicker. So this is a really interesting flight so far with a rapid ascent and a very rapid increase in the negative pressure in the cabin, and as well as turbulence through these really dense clouds. So I'll let you take a look at it in a minute, but it looks like right now we've kind of found a little opening for a minute in between the different layers of clouds, and you'll see just a sec how dense these clouds are. So, quick little fact, the reason why clouds make such bad turbulence is simply just because of the water condensation inside of them. So when you have a lot more water that condenses inside a cloud, it makes it harder for the plane to cut through the air around it, making it a lot more bumpy. So yeah, it also kind of can change wind patterns, but usually it's just it's due to the water condensation inside the cloud. So it looks like the drink menu is pretty much the same. It feels like something's missing. Can't really figure out what. And these are also the other snacks. Alright, everybody. So snack services come through. This here, the pretzels stayed the same. Those are very good. I will say napkins aren't as funny as they used to be. And we got some nice new bamboo cups with that Dr. Pepper. So very. I know it is an airplane. It does release a lot of CO2, but at least the bamboo is a little bit more sustainable. So everything's going pretty well so far here on the new Southwest revamp. So just a quick update, got word from the flight attendants and the pilots say that we will have turbulence all the way into Chicago. So we will see if I can still get a bathroom review. Maybe not, maybe I will. But so far, other than that, the flight has been going really well so far. I love the changes that Southwest has made. I actually prefer assigned seating over just first come first serve because it's more organized. But yeah, we should be in Chicago in about 1 hour.
Thunderstorms and rain showers. With current weather conditions, we do not have the runway and landing data to land safely. It's not legal to land as well for us. Therefore, we are diverting the aircraft to St. Louis. Diverting the aircraft to St. Louis.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
So very interesting update. The weather in Chicago has caused us to divert to St. Louis. So we will be landing there in 20 minutes instead of Chicago. I don't know how I'm getting to Chicago now, so that should be interesting.
For insurance purposes, I'm just gonna go through the rest of this. As you exit the aircraft, make sure you exit out the same door you entered, which will be the door.
So here on the ground in St. Louis, Missouri, the wrong state and city than Chicago, which is totally fine because it was just the weather. Um, we are sitting here on the ground and figuring out if we just need to refuel the plane for our gas and go and be on our way and wait out the storm that way, or if we need to get off the plane and then see what we need to do. Maybe take the Amtrak to Chicago, but we'll see what happens. I really hope they just let us stay on the aircraft and take a really quick flight over to Chicago. But we will see what happens. So very interesting and unexpected. But I will say the airline has done nothing wrong here, so don't take it that way. But everything with on Southwest side again has been going great. It's just the weather, so let's go ahead and see what happens. All right, so huge update for the flight is that we are actually we were not able to land in Chicago because the fuel weight ratio was not correct, and because our aircraft was too light, the wind would have tossed us around a lot. So we had to add some more fuel and wait out some of the bad weather, the worst weather. But now we are clear to head on to Chicago. But because this plan is different, the aircraft got an entirely new flight plan, and that means we got a whole new flight number as well. So we are no longer the original flight number. This has been pretty interesting. Never been diverted before, but got to stay on the plane, and we're going to keep going. So now that I've been checked into my hotel and such, on the way to a pizza place for some good Chicago pizza. Well guys, back here in Chicago, ready to go to sleep. I will see you guys in the morning. This has been day 1, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 2. Good night.